Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how we have added the customer and employee password policy configuration screens in the Operations portal. To get started, search for the word configuration. So here you will see two options, customer configuration and employee configuration. First, I will click on customer configuration. This opens the password policy screen. On this page, you will find several fields where you can configure the password rules according to your needs. Let's go through them one by one. Previous password check. These settings allows you to define how many previous passwords are checked when a customer creates a new one. This helps prevent customers from reusing the same password. If you set this value to 0, the check is disabled and customers will be allowed to reuse their previous password. Require special character. When this setting is enabled, the customer will be required to include at least one special character in their password. This helps improve password security. To enable this option, enter all the characters that should be considered special. Require letter and number. Enable this setting requires the customer to include at least one letter and one number in their password. This adds an extra layer of security. You can disable this option if it is not needed. Minimum password length. This field defines the minimum number of characters allowed for new customer passwords. Password expiration days. Here you can set how many days a password remains valid. Once this period expires, the customer will be required to create a new password. If you set this value to 0, passwords will never expire. Once you have configured all the values you want, click the Save button to apply the changes. These same settings can also be updated individually from the settings screen. However, using the password policy screen is much faster and easier. Now, if you click on Employee Configuration, you will see a similar password policy screen with the same fields we just reviewed. Here you can also set the desired values and click Save once you are done. And that's it. You can manage password policies for both customers and employees from one place in a simple and efficient way. Thank you for watching.